Okay, drone pool here. So this morning what I'm going to do is show you this 3D printed sunshade for the Mavic Air 2, the Mini 2, and the Air 2S. Now I had some filament I wanted to use up, so I just kind of did a test piece. If you're interested, I'll put the STL file in the description below, but there's only 4 pieces to print, and this is for smartphone only. So I'm hoping to try and figure out how to increase the size so I can use this with my 8-inch tablet, and I'll let you know if I figure that out. But this is really pretty simple. So just open this up, might as well get your cable out now. And on the controller there's a little round hole, it's towards the back of this piece. So you just line this up with this little nub right here and just snap this on. And it snaps on pretty sturdy. Okay. Now I'm probably just going to leave this on instead of taking this on and off all the time. This isn't going to shut down all the way, but in my case I don't care, because in my case it'll fit like this. So that's step 1. Just put that on. Then I'd like to put my phone in here for step 2. Get it ready to go. Now when you put these together, figure out which one's which. The easiest way I found is just line it up like this and just snap it together. You'll hear it snap. And the same way with this one. And see, it folds up nice, so it'll fit in your bag. So yeah, and then all you do is slide this onto the back of this right here. You gotta get it straight to begin with. Oops. I did it backwards. It goes on top like this. There. Just like that. And you have your little sunshade. So yeah. I mean, this was easy to print. It didn't take long. And it just really just takes a second to slide on. And then when you're done, you just slide it off, fold it up, and like I said, I'm going to go ahead and leave this piece on all the time because it's kind of hard to get off. And there you go. So let's see how fast that goes. So do it again. Put your phone in here. You just open this up. Boom, you're done. A few seconds and it's good to go. So yeah, I'm kind of liking this. I had some filament I wanted to use up, the ends of rolls, so I just kind of printed a test piece. So I'll probably print another one of a different color. But there you go. If you need a sunshade for your smartphone on your Air 2 controller and you have a printer, I'll include the file and you can print this out very easy. And I do like the fact that it folds up and you can put it in your bag. Nice and neat. So alright, well, if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. Alright, Drone Pool signing out.